Salut! The French language is complicated and one word can have many different meanings or uses. For example, the word coup. What does it mean? How do we pronounce it? How often does it feature in common expressions in everyday French? I'm Géraldine. Bienvenue sur Comme une Française TV. Sound French even to the French. Let's dive in. Literally, un coup, like that, is a blow. Un coup, like a punch or a kick. For example, il m'a donné un coup. Il m'a donné un coup. He just hit me. As you heard, when saying the word coup, the final P is silent. Un coup. It sounds like le coup, the neck, and le coût as well, the cost with money, le coût. The French language is strange. If you want to be specific about the nature of the blow, you say un coup de poing, un coup de poing, a punch, or un coup de pied, un coup de pied, a kick. Also, if you're a bit more advanced, here's a more abstract use of the word. We have coup du sort, un coup du sort for misfortune, or un coup au moral, un coup au moral for a blow to your optimism. But don't think about that if you're a beginner. The literal meaning is not as interesting as the figurative ones. Let's go and check them. Un coup is used figuratively in several ways. For example, un coup de pouce, un coup de pouce. It means a thumb punch, but it's a French expression for a little help. Un coup de pouce. It's not something we really use much in everyday language, but it's very cute. For example, Michel m'a donné un coup de pouce dans mes devoirs. Michel m'a donné un coup de pouce dans mes devoirs. Michel gave me a little bit of help with my homework. You also have un coup de main, or literally a hand kick, but it's not what it means. It means some help. For example, tu peux me filer un coup de main pour ranger la maison? Tu peux me filer un coup de main pour ranger la maison? Can you help me clean the house? Un coup de téléphone is an informal expression for un appel téléphonique. We say un coup de téléphone for un appel téléphonique, a phone call. We also say un coup de fil, un coup de fil, yes, for the phone. Un coup de soleil is a sunburn, un coup de soleil. It's also a great song in French that you will find on the blog commeunefrancaise.com. J'ai attrapé un coup de soleil. Un coup can also be un coup médiatique, as in a media stunt. Or more simply, un gros coup is a big opportunity. It can be both secret and or illegal. Un gros coup is not always a good thing. On the other hand, un petit coup is much more pleasant. It's a drink. And boire un petit coup means to have a drink. For example, we have a fun song that's Allez, viens boire un petit coup à la maison. Allez, viens boire un petit coup à la maison, which is also something you can tell your friends. Come on, come have a drink at home. And finally, be careful about an embarrassing mistake you can make without even knowing it, and it has a sexual meaning. In common everyday colloquial speech, un bon coup is a good lay. Yeah, that's the thing. Un bon coup. So, at this point, is there anything the word coup doesn't mean? Well, the English word a coup, yes, the use in English isn't really called un coup here. We say un coup d'état, un coup d'état. And the funny thing, it has nothing to do with une coupe, which can be a cup or a haircut. Une coupe. But now let's look at some expressions with coup. D'un coup means at once, in one sitting, in one gulp. For example, il a fini son verre d'un coup. Il a fini son verre d'un coup. He finished his glass in one gulp. It's very close to tout à coup, suddenly or without warning. Oh non, il pleut tout à coup. Oh non, il pleut tout à coup. Oh no, it's raining suddenly. Du coup means thus or consequently. Du coup. As in, du coup, on va pas à la plage? Du coup, on va pas à la plage? So we're not going to the beach? I know this one is very difficult for students. Finally, there's another one that doesn't have a great translation. Faire les 400 coups. Faire les 400 coups. Literally to make the 400 blows. But it means to be a bit wild, especially in your youth or often with a friend. For example, c'est mon copain Michel, avec lui j'ai fait les 400 coups. C'est mon copain Michel, avec lui j'ai fait les 400 coups. This is my friend Michel. We had a wild youth together. And of course, the best French expression, le coup de foudre. Le coup de foudre. Literally the thunder's blow, which means love at first sight. Et toi, what other French word do you have trouble using? Tell me in French. I would love to hear from you, and it's perfect practice every week. Tell me in the comment section on the blog on communefrancaise.com, where I read all the comments and answer all your questions as well. If you want more, I highly recommend you join my Everyday French Crash Course. It's a free 10-day mini course to sound French, even to the French. It's super easy to join. Leave me your first name in your email and you will receive lesson 1 immediately. And it's free. If you're watching this on YouTube, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel as well so you don't miss any of my episodes. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV, Sound French, even to the French. Allez, salut!